Sure.
Want to go further up or?
No. Everyone else has been just here, so unless you want to go further up for something else.
I want to go further up.
I want to go further up, not up the drain. Okay.
You're recording this shit already?
Yeah.
Drawings.
1987 and Gilligan.
Gilliganis.
Probably drains overall, but bridge rooms, bunkers. Yeah.
Cool.
Wow. Are you going to edit this? Because it's going to take a while.
Whatever.
Um,
These two, yeah.
fuck. I hate these questions. Finding a gun in a drain and fixing it and making it work.
Was that an ancient Egyptian walking stick?
Yeah. No, fucking, I don't know, man. First clannies.
What about when you first went over to Europe and you walked into the big exploring room and they all parted for you and because Gilliganis?
Well, that was just in your dreams. That didn't happen.
Okay.
I don't know, man. Probably not exploring. Probably camping. Probably Murchison.
Where you cried when...
Good on you. I don't. Fucking these questions suck.
You just got to... surely, but you thought, next time I'm in whatever, I'm going to do that.
No.
No? So nothing. You don't have to have an answer.
No, I don't have anything specific.
Because you're so hardcore. You've done all the good stuff.
No. I just don't care.
You're hardcore. This is the Gilligan, by the way.
Whatever. We're dying.
Yeah, dying, injuries, potentially.
Cops, probably, mostly.
Yeah.
Nearly getting shot with you, amongst other times.
What? Shot load?
Victoria Street, no load.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Coppers.
For more on that, get the Caveclan magazine. Near Misses. Are now available at all good bookstores.
Ted.
You are.
You do? I don't want to say it is my life because I'm not obsessed like some people, but I mean, this is my birthday party and I don't see anyone here that's not an explorer, so yeah, I guess so.
And it's in a fucking train.
Yeah, true that.
And we had a barbecue.
Yeah, and it was good.
And it was good.
I don't know, 16 maybe, but it'd be weird.
It would be
fucking style.
It will be weird depending on the answer to the next question.
No.
So sex is better and you explore with 16-year-olds, okay.
Yeah, I keep it real. It's just exploring. It's separate.
Or you're rooting 16-year-olds.
Yeah, nah.
In a
bullshit. Bullshit. You ask everybody else that.
Yeah.
Show me.
What's your best poo
Did
story?
Did everyone have an answer?
No, most of Sloth didn't. Most people do.
Sloth. Fucking such a prude, mate.
I know.
Dropping bogs off fucking Johnson Street Bridge Room. It's the best ever.
It is because people have mentioned that and they weren't even there.
Target practice.
Yes, target.
It's good. No, it's just good. Yeah. Bullseyes, drop bogs.
We need to reenact it.
Yep, we do.
When we turn 60.
Yep, if we can still shit.
We need teaspoons.
Constipated. But a real one, not the greasy shit in fucking Melbourne, and not the ones that cost $17. It's just good. It's good. It's crunchy. Alcohol.
Anything else you'd like to add before we finish up?
Going trains, going big trains.
Thanks for your time, Gilliganis.
Anytime.
Ooh.
Yes, that's right, young man. You'll never explore a darkie while you're not in the tunnel team.
Ninja, I think you're being a bit harsh on the boy. He must explore new drains and meet new drainers, you know.
Well, I think his cock's just a bit too small for the Caveclan, don't you, son? Don't you think your cock's small?
It will grow.
But it will never grow in big enough to be a clan cock. Don't you see that? You'll always have a tunnel.
Yes.
No.
No. I don't see that. It's just my cock is this big at the moment, and if I can...
But without a Caveclan cock, you can't join the Caveclan. You don't see that, do you? You've got a tunnel team cock.